1948 Chrysler Windsor Convertible with a late model Hemi. A Hemi. Over the top, huh?
Yeah, so that's how.
Yeah, you'd be driving around in this car and somebody'd be thinking, hey, this thing's an old car, probably can't go that fast. I'm like, holy smokes, look at that thing. Probably ain't even a stock Hemi either. Who the hell knows?
Gorgeous.
Yeah. Get the thing around the wheels to fake some fast turns. You got your flat spotlight out there. In case you're missing your kitty cat, you got a spotlight in the Hemi, and the thing that's turning the wheel fast. We'll drive around and find them real quick. Alright, if you're looking for your kitty cat when you're lost, that's what you do. Get this thing out. Anyway. Probably takes nitroglycerin in there or something too with that Hemi. And you got your wire wheels. They look like real wire wheels too, man. Chrysler